I don't know where to begin here. We might as well start with one of our great friends, the great Charles Barkley. I'll just give you the mic, brother.
Well, when I met Dirk Nowitzki, he was 18 years old. We were playing in an exhibition in Germany, and he scored 26 the first half on me. He finished with 42. And I said, son, who the hell are you? He says, I'm Dirk Nowitzki. I says, where are you going to college? He says, I'm going in the Army. I says, there are no 7 feet people in the Army. I says, you should go to Auburn University. And I just want to tell you this. You could have made some out of yourself if you had went to Auburn. Yes. Listen, I'm so blessed to have been in the NBA for 30-some years. The first thing people says, what's this guy like? What's this guy like? Because all these guys are great players. Let me say this about Dirk Nowitzki. He's the nicest man ever. Hey, it's been an honor and a privilege to watch you enjoy the rest of your life.
Dirk, thank you. I want the cheers to be about this young man tonight. He's been able to inspire us for the last 21 years. Man, you have been an inspiration to me. You know, I love the game of basketball. And I love when people play the game the right way. You played the game the right way, man. You've inspired people all over the world, not just in Germany. I played with a guy from Germany too. But I want to say to you, Dirk, you've inspired me. I've enjoyed watching you over my retirement. And you're one of the best. We appreciate you.
Thank you. Thank you. First of all, that little girl right there, I remember when she was born. But to put things in real perspective, I was 15 when Dirk came in the league. Now I'm 62. But Dirk, it's been an honor to watch you play over the years. Just like Scotty said, you play the game the right way. The game's better because of you. And one thing I always tell people, especially young players coming in the league, leave the game better than you found it, so this game can continue to go on forever. And then the older gentleman here, the one thing you got to do here now is find out what you want to do. And like I told Scotty years ago, one more year. Well, you guys are too easy. Why not 2? But Dirk, thank you for all the memories. God bless you, brother.
Oh, my. It's already been a lot said, but I will say this. I remember playing against Dirk. And I can remember the first time I was telling myself, man, I've got to get to this fadeaway. How can I get to this fadeaway? Can I get a little closer to him to try to block this fadeaway? I could never get close enough to block that fadeaway, Dirk. But I will say this, man, I think, like these guys have said, I think you want to leave the game better placed than what you've came in. You've done that. And I think just for you being in Dallas for all these years, same team, same family, same people, it speaks for itself. Speaks for itself. And it lets you know that the organization was willing to work with you all these years. It should tell you something about yourself. And not only that, you bring a championship to Dallas, you are a champion. You are a champion.
Okay, Dirk. Thank you. I'll do it in German efficiency and short and sweet. Ich wollte dir sehr gerne gratulieren und ich bin sehr stolz auf dich. And I wish you all the best in the future because what you meant to basketball, not just in the U.S., but in Germany and globally, it's been amazing and it's been a pleasure to watch. And I'm glad you came along when I was finishing because we needed you in Germany and you've done what people don't know here. He's done amazing things for not just European basketball, but basketball in Germany. And it's just such an honor to be here.
Hey, let's give a big round of applause for these guys for being here. It's fantastic. Fantastic.